I'm not gonna survive this. This is gonna be so flippin' stupid, and I'm gonna crash out because that's just what I do. I don't rage quit, I crash. That's right. Are you flippin' serious? And I'm gonna lose it. Don't kill me. I think she sees me. How am I alive? I'm not. I always hide in that corner. Oh, this is stressful. I have a stress toy. I don't like hotel. I always get murder. Whenever I murder, I always get murder in the best or the biggest maps. And it's so flippin' hard to find people. Okay, I suck. I suck at this. Why am I doing this? I know I suck. Okay. Come get me. I dare ya. How? Why? I'm gonna. Why? 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 I feel like everyone's judging me now. I'm saying why constantly, and everyone just stops right in front of my avatar. Why? Sit in the corner. Think about what I've done. I'm literally gonna crash out. Why can't I have gotten murderer in this map? I suck at this game. Why do I play it? I spent so much Robux on this game too. This is not helpful. I'm gonna die first. No, I'm not. Oh my. What if I just hide right here? Hey, girly. You kidding me? I was just supposed to go get the gun. Like, that almost hit me. Run away. If I just chill right here. Girl, that was my spot. Yeah-oh. Ah! Run away. Timmy, no, why? Oh. I'm gonna die. I literally stood on top of her. How's she not dead? Oh, I'm gonna cry. I love beefing. Don't judge. Finally! Oh my. Panic, freak out! Freak out, mid freak out! Run! Freak out!
This is not good. This is the end. This is the end.
I just jumped over the murderer. Or was that not the murderer? I'm confused.
Oh, this is not good.
Ah! Oh no! I'm trapped in the bathroom, y'all! Unless you didn't see me. Send help! I'm trapped in the bathroom. Save. SOS. Stuck in the bathtub.
This is not good.
Is it safe to go out? Oh, it's not safe. It's not safe. What if I bait myself? Oh, she's. Oh. Run, girl, run. What the why? Why? Gotta refrain from my whys. Let's do a handstand, guys. Is it working? Now I'm gonna die over here. I swear I just saw a knife. I told you. Ah! Oh shit. That was such a bad hiding spot. Okay, I can't blame myself. I'm gonna blame myself for that. That's my fault. Because you suck. That looked so wrong. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to. Maybe, you know what, maybe? Ah! I didn't mean it like that! I didn't even get to say what I was gonna say! Crap, they're coming. Crap, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. I'm not dying today. No, thank you. Why are you following me?
I'm not one of those. Dude.
I'm sorry. I have a yelling habit in this game. Who's this? Ah! Can't see me, can you? Oh, you can really see me. That's like really bad. Oh, just hide right here.
We were having a nice day.
Did you just call me gay? Ah! I'm here too. I'm alive. Why? I was still alive. Just so you know. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna stop now before I make any ridiculous noises anyway.